Good morning, night owls. How are you doing today? I hope you have slept well. Comments below your dreams and um, if you have dreamed anything last night and or whatnot. I um I had a weird dream today. Well, as y'all don't know, my car just recently broke down, and we just found out today that the transmission fluid is leaking and the battery's dead. Yay! I had a strange dream that someone that I know and I'm very familiar with, that I absolutely love, came into the room and told me to get up because somebody was ready to take me to go look at my car. And then came back in the room a little bit later saying that they're not going to help me fix it. They're just going to tinker with it and they're going to take parts and sell it or something like that. Yeah, it's a little strange. Anyways, moving on. So, today we're doing day 8 for shadow work. If you don't know what shadow work is, it's writing in a book or a notebook is basically therapy for yourself. So as you go through everything in life, shadow work helps you get over it. No, it's nothing like a witchcraft, Wicca, or anything like that. You're not doing spells. This is just simply you talking or writing and keeping it to yourself. If you will share it with other people, go for it. If you don't, keep it to yourself. It's not mandatory for you to share it with other people. Alright, so as y'all know, y'all have been doing it every day with me. We're on day 8. And this is a question. What is one thing that someone told you that that completely discouraged you? Why did it discourage you? So, I was with my ex Anna, and I was at her house, and damn, I believed I was handsome as hell. I I had that confidence, I had that air and everything, and it was genuine. I absolutely genuinely believed I'm handsome. I'm beautiful. I'm a beautiful human being, right? And this random dude, which is my ex's brother's friend, older dude, like I'm talking about like 19 or 20. I was like 17 or 16 at that time. Um, the ages I'm not sure. All I know is that this dude was older than me. He came in and he did this one thing. He doesn't know me. He have never met me before. I'm just laying on the couch waiting for my ex Anna to come back to the front. She was doing something I can't remember, maybe like clothes or something. And this dude comes up directly to me because he has to go through the living room to get to the brother's room. And he makes this ugly, disgusted face like he smelled something rotten. This, he made this disgusting face like he smelled rotten eggs or something like that, right? And then he bunched up his nose, like he scrunched up in his nose, and he said, "Damn, dude, you're so effing ugly." I'm like, "What?" And he woke me up. I was falling asleep. He woke me up, talking shit to me, and I was like, "Where does this guy get off just doing that to people? You know, being mean. Like, what the? Where did that even come from?" Anyways, that's that discouraged me because it was just a random person at a random time that just was being mean to me for no reason. I was not expecting it at all. I generally believed that I was handsome and everything, and after that, I second guess my looks every day. I may sound confident, like I'm a sexy beast, you know, but now after that day, I second guess my looks and my appearance every day now. It discouraged me from showing my face and uh, like going through going through public places like the mall and everything. I used to enjoy going through the mall and seeing random people and just, you know, hang out. But now I don't feel like I can do that because I'm not pretty. Anyways, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're brand new here so you can get all the notifications. I am doing as many as possible on shadow work. Each video is very tailored in a sense. I make each video. They're not going to be the same. The times are always going to be different. Some are going to be shorter, some are going to be longer depending on the question. And I hope this helps y'all in the long run. And please, I hope y'all don't mind my accents. Apparently, I have an accent, and it is harder for me to say some words. So I do apologize in advance. Until we meet again, peace out.